everyone, this is KG Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from Jamiel. Oh my god, actually, hindi dapat ito gagawin ko ng reaction video. Pero nung nakita ko na nag-upload si Jamiel clips at ang title is Sinning, I am really excited to this song. Like, gustong-gusto ko talaga ito marinig kung paano nila in-execute ang kantang to. And I'm pretty sure that this is the first time that they will gonna sing or perform this song, Sinning. Whew! I love this song. Seriously, may part dito na gustong-gusto kong marinig kung paano nila i-execute. Pero hindi ko muna sasabihin kung anong part yon. Kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga yung part na yon. Yung tipong, yung original singer na kumanta nito, Jonella, should I say, and JR, may part doon talaga na gustong-gusto ko talaga yung tipong, alam mo yung placement ng pagkakakanta nila, plus the tono, plus the pronunciation, plus the enunciation. So, titingnan ko talaga yun, papakinggan ko talaga kung paano gagawin ng Jamiel today for today's video. So, and one second na longer, mukhang matagal-tagal itong reaction video natin na to. Although the said video is almost 3 minutes lang, 2 minutes and 50 seconds, pero feeling ko aabot tayo ng mga 8 minutes. Sa kakapos and balikan and everything. So without further ado, let's all watch this. I'm so excited. Ramdam niyo ba yung excitement ko? Okay. G. Let's do this. Wow. Wait a minute. Can we just pause for a little bit? Because I love the tone ng kumanta na si GM. Pero nang kumanta si Mabel, perfect combination. Ang ganda ng pagkakapasok ni Mariel. And yeah, indeed, napakalaking diferensya sa original version and this version as well. Actually, kalmado lang talaga si JM. Ang ganda ng low notes talaga ni JM, no? Tapos, hindi pong alam mo yung boses niya, solid na solid, buong buo. Pero ramdam na ramdam mo yung emotion na pinapahiwatig niya sa atin. Pero, ang ganda lang din ng rhythm and beat, plus the beat, not the beat, but the tempo of the set song is just like very chill, very sexy, that you can listen to this song all over again na nasa beach ka na naka-chill ka lang while sipping your buko juice or mango juice. Or mango shake, should I say. Right? Ang ganda. Wait. Can we just repeat that? Kasi I didn't expect na yun yung introduction nila. Hindi ko ina-expect na iiba sila ng version. Ang dami pala nilang kinanta dito, no? Sulit na sulit ang bayad, ah. The clarity from JM. Ang ganda. Nakita niyo yun? Ang ganda ng pagkaka-deliver niya. Yung tipong hinahatid talaga ni JM sa atin yung mensahe ng kanta. Yan yung favorite part ko actually. Wait, ang ganda talaga. Sorry. Feeling ko papakinggan ulit natin to. Ooh, ganda. Oh, ang sarap ma-in love. Pag mga ganitong music, parang ang sarap lang talaga ma-in love. Sa totoo lang. Like, Malapit na yung favorite part ko talaga. This one. This one. Wow. Wow. Mariel never disappoints me on that part. Mariel didn't disappoints me on that part. I love that part. Yan talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko na part. Wow. The harmonization. The control. Wow. Wow, I really love how they ended the song actually. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-end nila. I love that! I love that! Ang ganda ng version nila. Alam mo, dapat kasi mag-Spotify na sila. Tapos, alam mo, yung upload lang sila nag-upload ng cover nila. Pero gusto kong balikan yung pinaka-favorite ko na part. No, no, no. Wow. Ganda. Di ba? Aminin nyo, ang ganda ng version ng singing nila. Wala kayong maloloko. Charis. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. This is Keisha Vlogs and see you in the next vlog. Bye from JL.